Hello guys, Delver and Yuffie here. Getting ready for our supper, and I'm going to have potato with my trout that we caught, and I'm going to fry up some trout and cook some potato for supper, and Sweetheart is going to have some rice with her trout. But I already got the salt on the trout, and here it is here. Now I'm going to put on some pepper. Okay, that's one side. Now I do the other side. This is how it does it before I fry it up. Then I will take it and put it in the flour. Put it in the flour. And I'll shake it like that. Then it's full of flour. And as you can see, this is how it looks. So I have my salt and pepper on there. And I have the flour. It's all ready to fry up. So I will show you when I'm frying the trout and cooking the potatoes. Okay, over and out.